Hello, today I want to talk with you about new ICO platform that called Casper. So the project places itself as the first decentralized platform for cloud storage. Everyone should have a major question. What is different from similar platforms? In this project, the Casper team attention on solving a very serious problem faced by the app, which is developers of the decentralized application. This project approaches the Casper API. With the solution, any decentralized submission on blockchain will be able to use the Casper API to store the data of its users. This solution, together with the way of organizing the network of storage and the degree of defense of the communicated information, is the best in this way and is proposed to motivate the enlargement of the app applications. Casper will be the firmest and most steadfast way to store information for the app. The principle of data dispersal will be based on the variety of providers providing their free disk space and information transfer channels. Also, Casper platform will be interest not only to the app developers and organization, but also to regular users who want to store their personal information with a high degree of dependability. Casper is a safe and constant utility for the app based on Ethereum platform. The project also provides developers with DApps to create distributed programs with a higher user UI. It is a tool for ensuring decentralized storage of application data and its users characterized by convenience, low cost of tokens, and security. Developers managed to create a completely decentralized repository operating under the management of a smart contract. Casper pairs the P2P blockchain platform with a storage unit network, which stipulates HDD file storage received to users while storage units guarantee the network is function appropriately. Casper may be used by services that are most dense as well. At this level, Casper will begin modeling a competition for a campaign cloud service such as Amazon. The app asks the smart contracts for a place to download content. A smart contract finds it and sends the coordinates to the server. When loading data, Casper API copies to three additional servers and saves replicas. As a result, the loss of one of the server does not lead to the loss of information, since the data storage system has three more copies. Peer-to-peer decentralized or peer-to-peer network is an overlay computer network based on the equality of participants. Often there are no dedicated servers in the network and each node or peer is both a client and serves as a server. Unlike the client-server architecture, this organization allows you to keep the network working at any number and any combination of available nodes. The participants in the network are feasts, whose participants provide resources for performing transactions and performing calculations. Casper complements the P2P block platform with a storage network that provides users with a file storage service on hard disk and maintains the network. The storage network can be connected to several block platforms. Currently, one Ethereum platform is selected. To connect storage to the network can be an arbitrary person who has good equipment at home, or a data center of regional scale, which will be interesting to fill unshared capacity. Each member of the network will receive payment for the provision of storage services. The system of regular inspections of suppliers, reward, and penalties, Casper is configured to motivate participants to act in their own interest, independently of each other, maintaining the stability of P2P network. Participants from a decentralized, independent, not controlled by one person or organization network for data storage. The key motto of an ICO to encourage crowdfunding for a substantive purpose. Here it's about creating a digital world, which is fully functional. Crypto coins are still being mined with the use of local computers' resources, and Casper API aspires to increase the practice of local computers. But with the API standard, the project is mainly concentrated around developing a fountain or what can be otherwise be called a virtual platform to allow developers from around the world to come and develop decentralized applications with having to deal with database storage issues. So, in a nutshell, the three primary goals of Casper API are: first one is file transfer rate, then data storage, and global app development. The creators of this project claimed the Casper API has been programmed to provide encrypted data storage where no central institution will have access to your private information. This way, the cloud computing division continues to grow and succeed. As the sector of blockchain technology becomes popular and used, their file transfer rates slow down. This happens due to sudden on the network and with varied sizes of files. Here Casper comes to make DApp development more substantive and efficient. Moreover, they are suggesting moving from localized app development practice rather than contributing to create a common infrastructure for all to come and be connected at the same time. CST, Casper token, is the main component of the development ecosystem that is used as internal currency. The entire volume of tokens will be released during the ICO period. 1 gigabyte of storage space costs 1 KST token. They will be able to receive rewards for returning their hard drive. Tokens can also be leased to the supplier. In this case, they place rewards. Pre-ICO was successfully ended so investors could be able to invest and get your massive profit. The KST token will be released as part of the ICO by a separate smart contracts under the ERC20 standard. Token issued during the ICO will be traded on the exchange. Tokens purchased in the course of the pre-ICO can be converted to smart contract tokens for ICO using the exchange method of a smart contract. After the end of the ICO, the tokens purchased during it can be converted into a KST token of the working smart contract. Casper API planned amount of raising funds through the sale of tokens is 31,800 million tokens, and the minimum threshold for raising funds is 4,800 tokens. The sale of the tokens will be via the Ethereum smart contract at the current dollar Ethereum rate at the time of purchase of the token. Termination conditions for ICO: all tokens are redeemed either in 2 calendar months. So the main conditions for the ICO. The first one, ICO will be conducted on the basis of Ethereum using a smart contract. Then, the release of mining KST tokens after the completion of the ICO will not be possible. And if during the ICO period the minimum threshold of attractive financing is not overcome, then all collected funds will be returned to the senders. In this case, fines raised under the pre-ICO are not subjected to refund. So, that is all. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was informative for you. Goodbye.